Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 10 best healthy breakfast foods to kickstart your day. Listen up, you lot. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it's gotta be bloody brilliant. We're talking about fuel for your body, not some sad, soggy excuse for a meal. So, if you're tired of starting your day with bland cereal or greasy fast food, you've come to the right place. Get ready to upgrade your breakfast game with these 10 powerhouse ingredients. From fiber-packed oatmeal to protein-rich Greek yogurt, we're about to transform your mornings. Get your aprons on and let's get cooking. First up, we've got oatmeal. Don't you dare say it's boring. Oatmeal is a bloody workhorse. It's packed with fiber, which keeps you feeling fuller for longer. That means no more mid-morning cravings, you hear me? We're not talking about that instant sugary rubbish either. Go for steel-cut or rolled oats and cook them low and slow. You can even add a touch of honey or maple syrup if you must, but fresh fruit is the real deal. A sprinkle of berries, a dash of cinnamon, now that's a breakfast of champions. Next, we've got Greek yogurt. This isn't your average yogurt, no sir. Greek yogurt is strained, which means it's thicker, creamier, and packed with protein. We're talking muscle fuel here, people. This stuff is a blank canvas for flavor. You can top it with fruit, nuts, seeds, or even a drizzle of honey. Or get creative and make a savory yogurt bowl with chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, and a sprinkle of feta cheese. Don't be afraid to experiment, but for God's sake, no soggy granola. Don't let their size fool you. Chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses. They're loaded with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain. Plus, they absorb liquid like a sponge, making them perfect for thickening up your breakfast bowls. Try soaking them in almond milk overnight to make chia pudding. It's like a dessert for breakfast, but without the guilt. You can also sprinkle them on yogurt, oatmeal, or even add them to smoothies. Remember, a spoonful of chia seeds goes a long way. Don't drown your breakfast for crying out loud. Chapter 4. Berries, jewels of the breakfast table. Berries are like nature's candy, but without the sugar rush. They're low in calories, but bursting with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Plus, they add a touch of sweetness and vibrancy to any breakfast dish. Strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, they're all bloody fantastic. Toss them in your oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies, or enjoy them on their own for a light and refreshing start to your day. And don't even think about using those frozen sugar-coated abominations. Fresh or nothing. Chapter 5. Whole grain toast, the foundation of a cracking breakfast. Let's talk toast, not that white bread nonsense that disappears faster than your patience in a busy kitchen. We're talking whole grain toast, the real deal. It's packed with complex carbohydrates and fiber, which gives you sustained energy throughout the morning. Top it with avocado, eggs, smoked salmon, or even a simple spread of nut butter. The possibilities are endless, you see? Just make sure it's toasted to perfection. Golden brown and slightly crispy. No one likes soggy bread, for heaven's sake. Chapter 6. Almond milk. Ditch the dairy, up your game. Almond milk is a fantastic dairy-free alternative that's low in calories and packed with vitamins and minerals. It's also incredibly versatile. Use it in your smoothies, pour it over your cereal, or even enjoy a cold glass on its own. You can even find unsweetened varieties if you're watching your sugar intake. Don't be afraid to experiment with different plant-based milks too. Oat milk, soy milk, cashew milk. There's a whole world of flavors out there. Chapter 7. Avocado, the good fat that fuels your morning. Avocado is a breakfast superstar. It's loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and potassium, keeping you full and satisfied for hours. Smash it on toast, add it to your smoothies, or even enjoy it on the side with your eggs. It's creamy, it's delicious, and it's bloody good for you. But a word of caution, avocados aren't cheap, so make sure you use them wisely. No throwing perfectly good avocado away in this kitchen. Chapter 8. Spinach, leafy green powerhouse. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a place on your breakfast plate. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and it's surprisingly versatile. Toss a handful into your smoothies, add it to your omelets, or even saute it with some garlic and olive oil for a quick and easy side dish. You can even add it to your breakfast sandwiches for an extra boost of nutrients. Don't be afraid to get creative with your greens, but for God's sake, no soggy spinach. Chapter 9. Quinoa, the ancient grain taking breakfast by storm. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also a good source of fiber and iron, making it a nutritious and satisfying breakfast option. You can cook quinoa in advance and store it in the fridge for a quick and easy breakfast bowl. Top it with your favorite fruits, nuts, and seeds, or even add some savory toppings like sautéed vegetables or a poached egg. Don't be intimidated by this ancient grain. It's easier to cook than you think. Chapter 10. Smoothies, your breakfast on the go. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack a ton of nutrients into one delicious and convenient breakfast. The combinations are endless. Use your favorite fruits, vegetables, yogurt, protein powder, nut butter, and even leafy greens. Blend it all up and you've got a breakfast that's ready to go in minutes. Just remember to keep your smoothies balanced. Don't overload them with sugar, and make sure to include a good source of protein and healthy fats to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Outro level up your breakfast game. There you have it, you lot. 10 breakfast champions to kickstart your day the right way. Remember, breakfast sets the tone for your entire day, so make it a good one. Now I want you to get in the kitchen and start experimenting. Try out these ingredients, create your own breakfast masterpieces, and show me what you've got. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more culinary inspiration and healthy eating tips. Now get cooking.